Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to use dual connection on your earbuds SOUNDPEATS AIR 4 Pro. And right here we have a first device what connected with the headphones, and second do not. Now, as you can see, we have connection. So firstly, what you should do. You need to open settings on your second device and go to the Bluetooth or connected devices. If you have Android, click pair new device. And after that, put your earbuds to the charging case. Now, at the bottom of the charging case, we have connectional button. You need to press and hold on it until this LED light start flashed. Here we go. And now we should see it at the second device, at the device list. Tap on it. And we have connection. And also we have connection first device, so both of these phones connected to the headphones at the same time. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.